James, I've been looking for you. Why are you like this?
It's just letting him. It was very tired.
Thank God it's tiredness. Well, I need money.
What is it?
I need money because I want to go for shopping. I want to go for shopping.
I used to buy those things which you know. What on earth do you want me to get such money from?
New arrivals, new things.
Where else do you want me to get the money from? Where?
Anyhow, anywhere. Where is where? I don't care. Just look for it.
So, call your brother. Thank God you have a brother in Nigeria. Call him. Tell him to send you money.
Hey! I'm ashamed.
Ashamed of what?
I'm ashamed.
Why are you ashamed?
Of you.
That's what?
Hey!
Please. Since I'm not comfortable, yes, so let me walk out again and get some rest, okay? Please continue what you need, right?
James!
Don't disturb me.
Hey! Hey! So far. Hey! James! Hey!
Honey, I know it's you.
Yes, it's me. Turn around. Dear, this is for you. My dearest, the woman that is behind all my success. I got this for you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Honey, are you for real?
It's for you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You just bought me a car?
Did you like it?
Oh my God. Oh, I love it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Honey, you know what? Alright. You know what? I'll go in there and prepare you your special meal.
Not so fast.
Okay.
Today, I'm taking you out and we are having dinner outside, not in the house.
Okay.
So what you need to do right now, go in there, put on your best dress. So let's go out for a dinner.
Oh my God! Oh, come on, you're such a darling. I love you so much. Okay. All right.
This year must be Why are you crying? Don't tell me you're crying because I asked you to cook food for Amy Millionaire.
Obiora slapped me.
Slap you, why?
Isn't that stupid Emeka? That stupid Emeka asked him to slap me 50,000 naira per slap and he slapped me 3 times.
Obiora slapped you for 50,000 naira.
Yes.
Where are they?
They're at his place. That's the idiot. That's the idiot.
Hey, Emeka, I heard that you gave Obiora money to slap my daughter.
Is she reporting the matter to you for you to fight me or what?
No. On the contrary, she gave me a good information. I'm just telling you to ask if you pay me for me to also slap her.
I like this lady. I'll give you 50,000 naira for that. I want you to slap her 4 times.
Mama?
4 times?
Yes.
I'll take it 5 1 minute. Yeah. It's 5.
Where here?
Nemia.
She's very stubborn.
Mama is
Mama is slapping.
Mama is
She's stubborn.
I can't.
She's coming to me now. That's what I want.
Hey, well.
You touch my elbow!
Slap her again for saying that.
It's okay. Is it okay? It's for the money, oh.
It's okay.
Is it okay?
So
it will not shock my money.
So let's say it's I'll give you like let's say a total of 350,000.
350,000.
I'll give it to you right now. Or slap her one more time.
I should fit again.
Yes. Football also.
Wow. I'm so tired. You're drinking. You say you're eating. Where do you get the money from? You're drinking polar beer. Expensive wine. I'm good work. Please. Can I join you?
Yeah?
I feel very hungry. Let me join you.
Did you give me money to cook? No. Fine. Go and look for work.
Listen.
Stop all these things. Go and look for work and help yourself.
I know it's the little one I gave you that you struggle some for you to get this. I know.
Oh, am I your ATM?
Yes, of course. That's what you are.
Okay, no problem.
Please.
Hey! Don't touch my food.
Please, now I'm very, very hungry. I'm very lucky.
No food for lazy man.
Huh?
Oh.
Me, lazy man?
Oh, no.
Please stop calling me a lazy man. You will put it on me. Why? Very, very hungry.
The Bible says, work. Man should be serious. Man should work. You need to work.
I know, but I'm trying.
Stop being lazy.
I'm not lazy. Please stop calling me a lazy man. I don't like it. Please let me eat. I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry.
No food for lazy. You know that song? No food for lazy.
That's what you want. No problem. Hey,
don't provoke me.
Even the
Don't.
bone. Even the bone.
One bone.
Oh God, such a lie.
Not drink Gary. Or you go and do semola. This is African food. Do you know what it costs?
According to my brother, he said a man has to hold his manhood for you need to have direction. Now I know. It's okay. So remember.
Enjoyment, then take this food.
The wicked shall not go unpunished. You're laughing. You're mocking at yourself.
What's in Bible?
Yeah, what do you have?
The same Bible said, go and look for work. Work hard. A man should work. Should I be the one feeding you? Don't carry you come abroad. Stay soon. Want to drink? Do you know how much I bought this wine? Somebody that gave me money yesterday. You know how I get it from? Nonsense. Come and eat. Hungry, boogie, never.
Jerry?
Yes, of course.
After all, it's cheap.
Wow. Call my car a cheap car?
This car is old model.
Thank you. I will wait the one. Yeah?
I may not have now, but I have choice. Jessica.
You have choice. You have not changed this one.
It's an old car.
Thank you. I don't have enough time. Please,
This
I'm
guy, hey, old model. You're doing shakara. It's a cheap car. Cheap car.
Cheap car, look at your foolish one. That's why we
Jessica, hey, this girl.
Hi, honey. You're welcome. You kept quiet. What's wrong? Did anybody touch my honey? You kept quiet.
James.
Well,
James, you see this rice? You see this rice?
Yes.
2 months. This rice will last for 2 months in this house, James.
Why?
Because you don't know how to manage.
How do I manage?
Yes. You don't know how to manage, James.
How do you mean? Please, just cook. I'm very, very hungry.
Yes.
Look for something for me to eat.
That is what you know in this house. Food. It's only food you know in this house. Lazy man, lazy youth.
Lazy?
That is what you are.
How dare you call me a lazy man? How?
James, look at yourself.
How dare you call me a lazy man?
Drinking cheap drink.
How dare you call my wine a cheap wine?
Your wine.
What has come over you?
Look at yourself.
Please, just do the quick. I'm very, very,
Joe,
very hungry.
I
I need
should
to eat
cook.
something. Yes.
That is all what you know in this house. Food. Anita, cook. Anita, cook. I am hungry. I am hungry. Am I the one that brought you to this hero? Am I the one?
No, of course.
Okay, fine. Your mate, are they not working?
Yes, of course.
What are you doing here? Tell me what you are doing here, James. Pressing. Drinking.
I'm not man enough to take care of your family. I save money.
Hey, tell me that was then, James.
Let me land.
That was then.
Why are you nagging? You're not nagging, bragging, shouting as if.
Look at your brother. Your brother just bought Jessica. That's Mbeke Eka. Look at me. Look at me, James.
But I've tried my best. I sent your brother down to France. It's with my own money. I sent a huge amount to your mom for her to have a good living. I don't want her to look ridiculous before her friends. She's doing well back in Nigeria. Why are you not bragging all over, counting as if you're not calling me lazy for what? I'm not lazy, please. Put up correction.
Okay.
Don't ever in your life talk to me such a manner. No.
I get that before no be property. I get that before no be property, my brother.
This is unbelievable. Well, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Okay? But I can believe that the God that I serve will definitely work out for me.
Work hard. Work hard. Stop drinking. Stop drinking. All supermarkets will close because of you.
Also my problem.
Yes. All the supermarket will close. MD will close. Corner store will close. They will close. Nonsense. I get that before.
Stay here. See, better go and cook that food. Go and cook that food and make sure it's delicious. Let this your nonsense here not enter that food, though. Let it not enter that food. Nonsense. Go and cook that food also.
Mama, I can't believe you're doing this to your only child because of money.
I will even do more. As far as money is involved, I will do more. I can do anything when it comes to money. As long as there's money involved, I will do. In fact, I can ask him, I can kill you. So if you know what is good for you now, just respect yourself and go inside the kitchen and cook that food and make it delicious. Go inside and cook that food also.
I don't need his money. I don't need his money.
It's your choice. Me, I need the money. Money is everything. Money answers all things. I want to eliminate poverty in this generation with this money. So just respect yourself and go inside and cook this food. Before I go again. Go and cook that food. I'll do my back leg. Go and cook that food.
Love this song.
You live here? Yeah. I want to see another time.
Yes, I'm all yours for
when I can see you? Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Sure. You promise me.
I'm okay. Please, I want you to drop me here. Yes.
Okay, you are leaving.
I will check the rest for myself.
Nice place.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm so happy.
I'm happy.
happy.
Very happy.
So,
Damn.
be a good friend.
You have a nice day today?
Yes, I will catch fun.
You're fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Grazie
Thank you.
mille. Grazie. All right.
Beso.
Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. A domani.
Okay.
Ciao.
Hi, Tony.
Hey, hi James, how are you? I'm fine, and you?
I'm managing.
Wow.
So, how's the family?
Yeah, I'm fine, and yours?
Bless God, you are doing great. So, you called me.
Yeah. So I want just to ask you a question. Are you sure you are okay?
I'm perfectly okay, as you can see.
Are you sure you are okay?
Very, very much okay.
You sure?
Yeah. Why do you ask?
And what about your own?
We are very, very fine. Me and my wife, we are doing very, very good.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
Is there something you understand? Is something you are not telling me?
No, of course. Yeah, okay. Perfectly okay. And why do you ask?
James, is there something you are hiding from me?
No, Tony. I'm perfectly okay.
Are you sure?
Yes. And why all these questions?
Just that what I'm about to say, please don't take it personal.
No problem.
It's about your wife.
My wife?
Yeah, please don't take it personal.
What about her?
Just that. 2 days ago, I saw her with a white guy.
You say?
I saw your wife with a white guy.
My wife?
Yeah.
With a white man?
Yeah.
This is unbelievable. No, my wife with a white man.
That's why I said, James, please don't take it personal, please.
No.
You can make something.
Tony, listen, let me tell you something. If it's a joke, stop it.
No, James, I'm not joking.
Listen, I trust my wife and we are married for a very long time now. So please, do not speak to her in such manner. I will not take it from you.
James, listen to me. James, please don't take it personal.
Please, I'm telling you, if it's a joke, stop it.
I'm not joking, James. No, James, sit down. No, James, I'm not joking.
Do not put an embargo into my house. I'm not quarreling. Thank you very much for the information. I'm okay with it.
Tony, I'm serious.
Please, all your information to yourself.
Tony, you come.
I said I'm okay and I'm done with you. Thank you very much.
Tony. Shit. Are you saying, Mama? What is going on?
Mama, I can't believe money can change you so much.
Somebody said he want to change my life with money. Why won't I change? Can you?
Mama, you reject his money. Yes, you give him his money back. We can make our money ourselves and live a better life.
Shut up your life. What do you know? Rubbish.
Emeka, you have overstayed your welcome in this house. It's time to go. Please leave.
And what's that supposed to mean, Wanyama?
Hey, Emi, forgive her. Forgive her childish attitude. Just forgive her. Oh, nonsense. Hey, Emi, you were saying something before this girl came with her stupid talk. What were you even saying?
It was about the other day. You know, I told you something. But let me just say it before her so that it wouldn't be a rumor or something. Ma,
I like you. I love you. And I'm here to ask for your hand in marriage.
God forbid. God forbid! God forbid that I marry you! Mama, I hope you did not consent to that.
I accepted 3 days ago.
Eh?
Wale of man now.
She just came today to collect the list. Video marriage rights. You gotta go. Huh? So why are you shouting? You marry him.
Mama, I will not marry him. It's Obiora I love. I will not marry him.
Okay, it's Obiora you love?
Yes.
It's Obiora you will marry? So let me call Obiora. Let me hear him tell me that it's you that he loves too. Are you listening?
Obiora!
If you go near now, shut up. What do you know? Money is life. You need to get it into your skull. What is wrong with you? Money is life, baby.
You see? It's even better I accepted 3 days ago. If not, this one, Karahiani, this is the only chance you have. So accept it now.
I will give you 200,000 for your pay.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey! Amy, do you know what you will do? Just go home and come back in 3 days. Let me have meeting with my kinsmen.
Okay.
They will just come and pay. And
Right.
she'll be given to you.
Your daughter is too stubborn. Yeah. Don't
touch me. Don't
how
touch
much
me.
How much will I pay for her stubbornness?
Just give me the money. I will know how to give her in a stubborn way.
Don't touch me.
But you can't.
Don't touch me.
Put your hand down.
Hey, Maka. Kaina.
No. Don't go.
Are you okay with the look?
Don't go.
Look at the in fact, her name is no longer her name is no longer Muma.
A lot for the Azoka.
50,000 naira will give you.
Chai!
I'm sending the money now.
Now!
Yes, right now.
Do you have another name? The money. Oh! Azu! In-law, mo! Hey! Oh! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, oh! Hey! That Azoka, it has been paid.
Don't touch me. I am disappointed in you.
Disappointed? I am appointed one day. I am appointed. In-law! Azu! Hey! Money is good. Chai!
Oh, yeah, you are back. How was your day?
Thank God, though.
Guess who I saw today?
Who?
Anita, your brother's wife, of course.
What about my brother James?
You're talking about your brother James. I saw Anita with a white man today.
Are you kidding me? If that is a joke, please let us know. What are you trying to say?
Honey, have I joked like this before for you? Have I lied for you before?
A married woman with another man?
Not only that, I saw two of them hugging, even kissing.
So what you are trying to tell me that Anita have left my brother James?
I saw it all. I saw them today. So I don't know.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah. I'm not even surprised on that. I mean your brother's wife. Let me go inside and change, okay? Come here.
Anita, could this be true?
I've heard everything also here I've said concerning my friend Obiora, and I'm going to talk to him. I believe he's going to respond positively. I believe he's not a fool.
I like you. I like this guy. And what do I do when I like people?
You will go saya alone.
Money was I know. Ross, you know what you do now? You will call your account number and I will send 20,000 naira to your account for a start.
Wow.
How's that?
Very good, very good, very good. 009 23.
Sweetie, are you reading?
James.
Yes, darling.
Why are you touching me?
Why the silence? We are together, you kept quiet. Are we quarreling?
Together.
Yes, sweetie.
Together, James. James, I've told you to go and look for work, but you refuse. All what you do in this house is to drink, because Italians have cheap drink. You go to the supermarket, you buy cheap drink, because drink is cheap.
Honey, it hasn't come to that.
I'll go and look for work. Lazy youth, lazy man.
Me, your darling, lazy man. How dare you call me lazy?
Wow.
It hasn't come to that.
Go and look for work. Go and look for work.
Lazy, darling. Talk to me. Why the silence and all this? I don't
Because
like
I don't have
it. It is getting out of hand.
Go and look for work. I need money.
And you are walking out of me. Where do you think you are going?
I don't get it. James, how many times have I told you that I don't like the way we are coping? James, I need a better life. I need a better life, okay? I need a better life, please.
Meaning you are not comfortable with the kind of life you are
I am
living
not.
with me.
Drink, cheap drink every day. Excuse me.
How dare she walk out of me? Just like that. She must be something. No, she must be up to something.
See, I love you. Okay, I'm coming. See, subito, I'm coming. Love you. All these guys.
Jerry,
Brother,
James has been my problem. How can he just follow his wife and live just like that?
also with me, brother. I'm speechless. Mom should not worry too much about him. I will call him later in the day. Brother, could you imagine? My wife told me that she saw Anita with a white guy.
Wow. It has gotten to that extent. And the funniest part, Mom have been so eager to hear his voice. Please do.
You put a call to him, brother.
Thank you very much.
You can be a laundry man. Look at it. She's my wife. Just stop it. Hey, let's talk. You call me a laundry man? Oh. Don't talk me now. My laundry guy. Let's go. Oh, mamma mia. Let's go. Just this man. You. No, never see. I'm not. Right. Just walk away from me. Just walk away. Man. Stop it. I'm married. Oh my God, my friend told me. See, this is what I do. After something and drive me off. My brother told me. Oh my God. Also what I've caused to myself. Oh my God! This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my God! Why did it take you so much to
Eva, why are you laughing? Where are you going? Where do you think you are coming from?
Please, I have enjoyed myself outside. I don't want you to disturb me.
You enjoy what?
James, what is wrong with you?
You are acting what's wrong with me. Who is that idiot that you are hanging out with? Do you think I saw you guys?
I know.
I'm who's that idiot? I want to know you.
Something wrong with you, James.
You said what? Is something wrong with me? Insulting me that in such a manner?
Please, I don't have time now. James.
Oh my God. I've been hearing this since all this while, but I kept quiet as if there's no... So you don't do it to my face for me to see.
James,
what kind of man are you?
How? Am I the first one to go to the wife? What are you saying?
See, I hate to lay my hand on you, but this time I'm going to deal with you in such a manner that you don't understand. Come get out. What is wrong with you? You get out of my house. You don't come in here. I'm telling you, let this be the first. Whenever you come to this house,
you raise your hands.
Yes, and I will do it again and not again.
You're a fool. Yes, me. Do your work, James. The idiot is my lover. What will you do?
Now you have to hurt me, you have drive me up. Now you have to go and get have an affair with that useless white man.
Do your work. James, do your work.
Never you come to this house.
I'll come.
Come in there, park outside. Go in there. I don't want to see you in this house. Get out of my house.
You're a fool.
Me, a fool.
I will leave.
Me, call me a fool. You that I picked from the gutter. You that I picked from the street.
Get out.
I picked you from the street. Then you not call me a fool. Let's go with this. Oh my God! I was only joking. No, actually, no, it hasn't come to this.
Shall we go? You said that you don't need my love.
Honey, please. It's me, your love. It's me. Oh, you know what? Why? No, why this?
Just
Honey, please.
You asked me
I'm
to
on my
leave.
knees, please. That was the please. I just say, you know, can't I joke with you again?
James.
Please look at my eye, look at my face. You can see the tears in my eye. Can't you see? Please.
Tears with that money is rubbish.
Wow.
James,
Me?
for me, I'm not yet seeing those tears, okay? Those tears are not my problem. My problem is for you to go and look for work. Go and get work. Be useful to your soul. Stop drinking useful. Stop taking Italian cheap drinks. Okay? Look at the way you're looking. Please get out.
So now we put Tata before
Yes. Oh, you don't know. Do you want me to slap you? Okay, let's take selfie. If that is what you want, please leave the way. When you're ready,
I'm short of
and later we come back. As for me, money speaks. Leave the way. You said I should go and take my things, so I've done that. Leave
I
the
was
way.
only joking.
You're wasting my time.
Please.
I've already called my cab man, so leave the way, James, before I scream, before the white people will come out.
It's okay, please, it's okay. Don't scream at me, okay?
You want me to leave?
Yeah, that's what you need.
Or do you want me to call the police?
No problem. I'll try my best to make you happy. Since you sit on this now, no problems. You can go. But remember, you will regret this. Jesus Christ. I'll taunt myself.
I hate this job. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Okay, sir. Okay, please just help yourself a little bit. Yeah, okay. It's good. Alright. Okay. Please. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh.
best customer.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Oh.
Why you laughing?
You're welcome. No, I'm just laughing.
So I was up today.
But thank God. And you? What are you up to?
Let's go. I just want to say a big thank you yesterday for what you did. Really tried.
That's nothing. You're welcome.
Really?
Yeah, you're my best customer, so I went for you.
Oh wow.
Right. What are you up to?
Oh, no really. I just want to say thank you. Yesterday I got to know that I almost lost my senses.
Please.
Thank God you are there for me.
Please, okay? You just have to try to control your drinking habit.
I have to.
No matter what, okay? Drinking to that extent, you don't even know where you are. It's kind of so very awkward. Like seriously.
That's true, really. I'm really very sorry for what will happen because I must say sorry. I know I picked you up, you understand? Likewise that, and secondly, I'm thinking my wife is still on, she's up to something, so the thing is getting out of hand.
I understand, but you just have to try.
I will try to put myself together.
Alright, that was very good. So, you said you're not taking anything today?
No, yes. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. Thank you very much. See you some other time. Alright. Thank you very much. Ciao. Ciao. Okay. Now, just restock all the space and then keep all the things.
Io voglio un amaro, voglio.
Io?
Un amaro.
Ciao.
Un amaro.
Uncle Obi, for 2 days now, I don't know what's wrong with this girl. Hey, Emeka said if he doesn't hear from us this weekend, if we lose Emeka, I'll just kill myself. I'll just die.
No, don't say that. You won't kill yourself. You have to calm down. She's only but a child. She needs time.
Time! Uncle Obi, can you hear yourself speak? Time! If Emeka changes his mind now, so now losing. Do you know what will happen? I don't need to ask you. You know what will happen? Should I be the one to tell you that?
You're right. You're right. We can't afford to lose him.
At all.
Where's Emma?
She should be at the backyard.
Mama! Other than no. Korogo be ever.
Come in front. They say she stand here.
Mma!
Uncle, I can hear you.
Good. I called you twice to make sure that you are hearing me.
Oh.
Now, take a good look at me. Have you ever seen me dressed gorgeously like this? Have you?
No.
Good. That will tell you what Emeka's money is doing in my life. Emeka has changed my life with his money. As you can see. You must marry him. Osoro.
Bam! The plan is your future we're talking about.
No future. My future too.
Then our futures is one future, two futures is. You want to deal with our futures is what is that?
And I have you must marry him.
Yes, you must. Futures is at stake. According here.
Anything. Why? What happened?
As you can see, I'm very, very young. So, don't believe it. I'm very, very young. I'm not staying.
Is that to believe? You, James, you come here sometimes, and then... What a word. Alright, don't worry, we'll sit down. James. Yeah. Alright, let me get the water. I'm coming.
Now, excuse me. I don't ask for food, please. I don't have money on me.
Oh no, don't worry.
Wow.
I'll pay for it, don't worry, okay?
Really?
Yeah, I will.
Oh, wow, such a darling. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Okay.
Oh. Wow. This is nice. Ah, cool. For 2 days.
Here you go. So let me get you a glass.
Thank you very much.
Alright, just take it easy. Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Alright, later.
What a nice thing. God was really lucky to have this kind of beautiful and carry in here. Destiny, she must be very lucky. So you mean to see find this kind of beautiful angel, this kind of time? Sure. God bless her for me. You know what to do.
Oh, sister, you're true.
Yes. Thank you very much. You know what? I have some regalo for you.
Oh, wow.
For you to do this, I'm surprised. I'm very, very young and you give me very good money. You know what to do for you? Don't worry. Excuse me.
Oh, this is my job.
Don't worry. You know what to do?
Wow. You giving this to me?
Yes, you deserve it.
Like, seriously?
Yes.
Wow. Hey, thank you.
Give me food to eat.
Oh, that's nothing, you know.
This is a conversation.
That's nothing. You don't have to do this. It's okay. Thank you very much. Wow.
I really appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will see you some other time.
Alright.
Thank you very
Take
much.
care of yourself. Thank
Okay.
you. Thanks. Wow. About this. Wow, no, me. I'm very happy. Yes. It's been long. I received this kind of expensive gift. Wow, just for a plate of food. Oh God. I'm ready. Mommy.
Anita. Your face. But your face. Cosa c'hai? No.
Io non
Cosa è
bene.
successo?
Io non bene.
Perché?
It's my mom.
Yes, your mom?
My mom is very sick.
Sick. Sick che sta male?
Sì.
No good?
Sì.
Ah. Have a problem?
Yes. Big problem. Not bene at all.
Cosa?
I don't know.
No?
I want to send them money.
Yes. I have an idea. You, because in Italian there is a more good hospital, good doctor, very, very good. If come your mama, viene qua in Italia and check. Okay?
Sì.
Yes.
Adesso.
What do you think?
Adesso no.
No?
See, because I send the money to her, then I top up, she come, later she come.
Sure?
See, later
It's
she
necessary?
come. It's very necessary.
Oh, Anita. Okay. Tomorrow we go and send the money to your mom. Okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I love
No problem.
Yes.
But don't worry.
James. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm standing here calling your name.
How are you, man?
You didn't answer. What happened?
I'm so sorry. Nothing much, but
You look really worried.
that's alright.
So, what's it?
I have this much problem, more especially my landlord. My landlord is on my
Why?
I've been holding on some rentage for close to about 6 months.
It's unbelievable.
Yesterday, finally, he asked me to pack out. So,
Wow. I see. You don't have brothers, sisters, or any of your relatives, like friends, you can go and stay with?
of course I do. I have a brother, but I have a very big dispute with my brother. I flew away from there.
Oh. If I may recall, is it that your wife came here with the other day?
Yes, of course.
Oh my God.
She makes me become an enemy to my brother, my friends, my relative. No, not so.
Like seriously? Why did you allow yourself to be used like that?
Just for me to make her happy. I don't know what I'm just doing the wrong thing.
Just
the wrong time.
Are you going to stay now?
You don't happen. Please.
Okay, anyway, you can stay with me just for some time, you know. I'm a lady, so you can stay with me forever. So you just have to stay with me for like a couple of some weeks, then you can look for somewhere to stay then.
You deserve an accolade for that. Thank you very much.
That's nothing, but you still have to go back to your brothers.
Yes.
You just have to.
Definitely have to.
Yeah. You just have to do.
I'll work on that and thank you very much. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
May
Sometimes
God
life
continue
is
to
like
bless you. So,
thank you very much.
I have to stroke.
Alright, let me go back to my duty post so that my boss will not start looking for
I'm
me.
very, very happy.
Alright, you're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, good morning, Anita.
Good morning.
My love. What time is it?
Oh, it's 8.
It's 8? Oh no, I have appointment. I go to shower.
Yeah. Okay.
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
I go.
Alright.
Ehi Anita, dove vai?
Amore, see, I want to go and see my friend.
Adesso? Now? Ah, but the door is closed. Yeah. Cosa fai con la mia borsa? No, the bag is with my money. Ma dove vai? Ma quella è la mia borsa. Mettila lì, cazzo, la mia borsa. Mettila lì o chiamo la polizia.
Diego fa questo.
Cosa stai facendo? Cosa stai facendo?
Guarda, appuntito.
Vedrai che ti pentirai di quello che stai facendo. Ti pentirai di quello che stai facendo. Vai, mio cazzo. Non ci posso credere. Fammi chiamare Fabrizio. No. Fabri, tu non puoi capire cosa è successo. Vieni a casa, ti racconto. No. Ciao.
Now, I realized my mistakes. Meaning, I've been a fool. So this is why I have to go back to where I belong. A great family. Collect my senses. I have to go back to my brother. Bro, don't talk to me. Like James talked to me. Do this thing because of my business woman get married to. You have used me and dumped me. You dumped me for I care. I have to go back to where I belong to. I really miss my great family. I have to go back and say sorry. And I believe they will accept me. don't create center at the dance. Say me at the follow at the dance. I don't know wetin dey pursue. I don't know wetin dey pursue. I just off with the dance. Hey, now go for Anita. May you come tell me wetin pursue because I never understand.
Woman, I know today is our meeting. See, I will not be coming to that place. So I can't be leaving my house and be coming to that place. I don't understand. What kind of gathering is that? See, I want you to bring all those women to my house. I have money now. Let me host you people and teach you what's up. I want to host you people. Everything. I will teach you people waiting the sup. You know my name now is Lady Italiano. I have money. In shopping way. Yeah, bring them. I'm here. Yes. Oh, good. Thank you. Tell them what's up. In the set.
Pannello. Deve essere Andrea. Ciao.
Ciao Fabri.
Come va?
Tutto bene, tu?
Vieni, stavo preparando da mangiare.
Ah, sì, ho proprio fame.
Niente. No, dai, siediti che stavo preparando. Cosa ti offro? Qualcosa da bere,
Anche un bicchiere d'acqua.
Un bicchiere d'acqua, ok. Allora c'è un casino, non puoi capire cosa è successo.
Cosa è successo?
Anita.
Che cosa Anita?
Ma hai visto che non c'è?
Sì, infatti, pensavo ci fosse.
Se n'è scappata. È andata via e si è rubata, si è presa la valigia con i miei soldi, capito?
Io lo sapevo che tu non dovevi fidarti di lei.
Perché?
Perché lei è straniera, non devi fidarti.
Ma che c'entra, dai, che cazzo c'entra? Cioè, cos'è? Se era un italiano non poteva farlo lo stesso? Non lo so, comunque ti dico una cosa che lei non sa.
Dimmi.
Lei è andata via con la mia valigia, ma dentro c'erano 1.000 euro e solo 50 euro erano veri, gli altri erano falsi.
There's no type of car I cannot repair. Please, I just need the connection. Connect me.
There's no problem. Emi Money is a friend to all. He's my close friend and my best friend.
Help me.
Don't worry, I will talk to him. I will make sure whatever thing you want, you got it, okay?
Just connection.
There's no problem.
Serious?
Ma, please. Sorry for disturbing you. What is the problem? Why you don't want to give Emi Money, my friend, a chance? Emi Money is a nice guy. Yes, I know you're beautiful. But with Emi Money's money, you will be more beautiful. Just give it a thought, please. Please. The way silent is golden. Hey,
I just don't want to insult you. Because if I do...
If you do, Emi Money will wash you with money. You know he has been doing it.
Birds of the same feather.
My friend, hope all is well.
I don't even know why Mma is being stubborn. Everything is fine. On your behalf, I will talk to Emi Money when I get home.
No, see this one. No, I finish. No, you must sleep. I'm going to go. No, I have no way to make you.
They happy. Madam. Anita. Abeg, I don't come out to not be give you wetin you drink. Because I don't know wetin they happy. If I come back, you tell me wetin make you dey happy. See you later. I don't go also. I don't feel they sleep like you. Now that one I like to feed myself, my sister. Though sleep cook, you get your food, they kitchen maybe.
I will change your story.
Yes, story changer.
Ma, why being so stubborn over nothing? Eh?
So you called getting married to that fool nothing? Is that?
As much as you don't like Emeka, but your mother is in support of the marriage. Eh? And you know how mothers can be when they are angry. The cost may be too much.
Talking about cause. A cause can only affect a disobedient child. Yes, in this case, I am innocent. I am not being disobedient. I'm only being an adult because I am grown and I have the right to make decisions. So what are you saying? The problem with my mom is that she likes money. It's too much. It's not good. Should God turn the table around, you will see my mom. She will turn her back on Emeka and follow Obiora. So Sieba Putaba, I know my mom, she likes money. My mom nego adaga ko cha. So Sieba Putaba. Let's talk about something else. There was this skirt I saw you wore out yesterday.
So you saw it, Abi?
I saw it. Oh, I'm blind now. No, am I blind? Because I am blind. But just your girl, how did you come about it? That outing that yesterday was crooked. I know, calm down.
Don't go say she don't come out. Ma, go check my bag. Let me do house now. I need that girl. Simone, Anita, I'm rich. Oh God, thank you. Fake. 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 Okay. Fake. Don't make me. Oh, you wanna play me, Mugu? Mugu, me. Fabrizio, me.
This is not the best way I live for us. Babe, what's in now? Who there? I don't understand. Don't be you I leave yours now. What's in? Anita. Who get money? Anita, wait, talk to me. Tell me. I don't understand, baby. Who get money? See this girl. See this baby.
I can't explain. I can't explain this. Just only 50 euro that is.
Like this grandma, I the best. They still the best for you. Leave grandma when you talk to me, I beg. Tell me what they speak, grandma. For this one, we will do so. I beg.
You remember that my white guy?
That white guy? That your papa now? What's happened? He die? I robbed him.
You robbed?
Yes.
You robbed Wesley? Come, I'm not here. Come here, finish it.
But he's smarter than me.
Let's see how you rob her. That be the money we say you want to change my life. I will not be that one. Wait till happen. Tell me. Leave crime.
He mogul me. It's not a joking matter.
Oh, leave drama. Now this one ain't the best me for your matter. It's not a matter. Still, 20 person go understand. This one is the...
Babe, this money is fake. It's only this 50 euro. This 50 euro is good money. This ones are just... This man.
You can laugh for
paper. See?
Hey. You know what you make me dey laugh? They do for you. So that this one you have to change my life before. Fake. I dey laugh, you know why I dey laugh? Because they fun say that you sharp pass. Follow me come out. You say no, you want do Ross. You want that you sharp pass. See you now, see your life. Life change, story changer. Story changer. No. I bet it's food they play it. Because I just the best. I'm down person where I go wait for. I not see and see how they use grammar to they spoil my ear. Grammar kill you. Follow me come out, no. I cook you no go open for 2 points. Idiot.
Even 50 euro fake. I'm finished. And the carabinieri police here. Camera even saw. Hey, I don't finish. I don't finish. This guy go. Hey. Anita, you don't move.
Anita, how far?
Sophia. Adeo.
I hope you don't eat now.
Adeo okay. Adeo okay.
Okay. Babe, gist. Gist, babe. I want to talk to you.
Hope there's no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
So, Anita, you know, say since we come this house, we never see chance. Sit down, talk. So, this house we see, I mean, they pay the house rent, the light bill, water bill, even to eat safe. They pay. No, say this Europe. All my life with Kento. So no papa, no mama. Nice spiritual force there. So I won't tell you, say either you go back to your husband or you join for the street work, because now all of us still is surviving. So how you can just tell me. I make me say me I call me, I tell me not say maybe I not fair tell you.
I understand. I will think about it.
Okay. Think about it, beg.
Wicked man.
Not see why I don't go see. Hey. Anita, for my own house, Anita. So it don't reach like this, Anita. So it don't become like that. When monkey go to walk back, go to shop. For my own house, Anita. Anita, like bad I do you to carry come this house, Anita. Anita, they talk to you. Talk to me.
Sophia. Sophia, I don't understand you. What have I done wrong?
That means they speak big grammar for. You know what I mean? Wait till your partner you get dressed. For my own house, they speak grammar for me. So they work, they come out, they say some since they use my body work. Then you call it your sit-down, even the juice. Hey! Anita, juice. Juice, Anita. Anita, juice. Juice. You know how much I suffer the juice. You know as I suffer the juice.
Sophia, I won't take this from you, Sophia. For the fact you're giving me your hands does not... Sophia, don't push me. Don't. So now me they speak grammar for me, Sophia, me. Hey, you feel like say you never know me. To tell you go come over this house. Not your pin. That doesn't say na wapa. Go jam. Carry on. Sophia, Sophia, please. I don't fit to please. You know my family. Please, I thank you. Debbie, can I call you? Debbie. Sophia, please. Thank you, please. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, Sophia. This is English. You don't change and you come back again. Sophia, no. Please, Sophia, please. Other people. Follow. Sophia, please. I beg you. Follow. Oh, shit. The door, got there. Oh, God. You can forget to shoot him. Come. Jesus! Where's he? Hey! No! Sophia! Sophia, please, I beg you. Sophia, please. I don't have anywhere to go. I beg you, please, Sophia, I beg you, please. Oh, God. What will I do?
Don't pack them up for the house, sis. Don't wait pack them out. Don't wait pack them up for the house. Don't even contact. They don't say me you can't contact last. But the number where you know they go again. Don't pack them out. I'm sorry, I know best. Later.
looking for me? Yes, of course.
Please, I went to your house, I didn't see you. Baby!
Yes, darling. Please, I'm coming. Let me talk to this lady.
Who is she?
She's my
Oh, wow, I remember. I remember her.
So, why are you looking for me? Since you decided to walk away, so I don't have a new one.
Yeah, I'm
Let's
here.
look at her.
James, who is she?
Pretty lady. Come, she's my angel. Please. Stop being on set.
Please, let's leave here, baby.
I'm here, darling. So, do have a nice time, okay?
Cheers! Hey!
Right. 10 bottles of schnapps. 18 jars of nkwelu. Write it well. Look at what you write it very well so you'll be able to read it. 2 cows. 1 male, 1 female. Let the female one be white and the male be black. 2 cows, white and black. 30 cartons of geishas. Put it S.
But Mama, you're forcing me into something I do not want to be part of.
Just shut up and write. This is my pen, this is my paper. Write this thing well. Not that this thing is sitting on my brain. Inside my brain. 50 cartons of, what did you write? 30 cartons of geisha. Geishas. Half truck of juice. Yes. And this cap, this long cap like this, that elders used to wear, they bend it like this.
Who wants to wear it?
Is your business? Right there, 10 long cap of elders. Clear on. Don't stay this paper. Don't let this see you're doing.
It's bad omen.
What is omen? Is your father name omen? Write that in. Omen. Right here, 30 pieces of chicken. But you should mix it. Some black, some yellow, some white. See, it will be colorful. Colorful chickens for the occasion. And 50 wrappers. 50. Just write 50 wrapper. What are you looking at? Colorful ones, though. 40 pieces of oduefi. What is that? It's for cooking. Let me see what you do. Yes. Why are you running?
I heard Nweke and his friends discussing that Chukwuemeka Ilochi died in a ghastly motor accident.
Chukwuemeka again?
Chukwuemeka Ilochi
died?
Yes.
Where is my wife? Honey! Where is everybody? Everywhere is so silent. Honey!
Happy birthday to welcome.
Happy birthday to you, bro.
You guys surprised me.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I forgot that today's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
Italian said chair to this hour for happiness.
But I don't know you. I mean, what will I done without you? Where will I be without you? You have done so well. Oh my God.
Yes.
Honey,
Jerry.
I mean, I'm gonna surprise you.
Oh.
One love and happiness.
Yes,
We share the happiness in the family because we are both so white and young.
Yes,
Things so beautiful.
Yes, I said that again, honey.
I'm happy.
We toast for love, we toast for happiness, and we toast for unity.
Yes, sir.
God bless this family.
Amen. Today's your day.
I'm so happy.
Yes, sir.
Happy. It's a lovely day.
Yes, sir. Can I say that again?
Who do you have here?
Brother, I'm sorry, brother. I know I've caused a big embargo to this family. Brother, please. I know today is a great day. But I later realized my mistake, brother. Please, have mercy and forgive me. I know I've caused a big pain to this family. Brother, please, just forgive me. I later realized my mistakes.
Cheers to James. On your feet. This is not a time to cry. This is a time to celebrate.
I know, brother, but I know I've erred, please.
This is Jerry's birthday.
Thank you, brother. You know, brother,
celebrate with us with one love and unity.
Thank you,
one mind and one spirit.
Thank you, brother.
It's okay.
I must let me go on my knees. Brother, I know I really offended you. Please, I'm sorry. I've offended you.
Okay.
You know, to err is human, but to forgive it is fine.
You are my best friend and my brother. I can't stop thinking of you, you know. I love you so much.
Really?
Seriously.
After I know that you have passed through
everything.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
And my wife, I'm sorry. Are you still angry? Please, I'm sorry. Whatsoever that I have committed, please, have sympathy. Forgive me. I want this family to become as usual. Thank you.
Please get him a glass. Brother Bruno.
I can offer you.
Yeah.
Wow.
For the big family, we have come together and not found in your love.
Are you serious? I was about to ask him who is this young lady.
Oh my God.
For me to give you this diamond. Just hold this as a sign of appreciation to the family. You understand? So you hold this as a sign of appreciation. Hold this.
Thank you very much. Oh my God, it's leaking.
And on behalf of this great family, I hereby present to you the love of my heart. I've found a new love. So please, join me to celebrate. Ask. Are you shy, honey?
Mom, fuck me.
From the depth of my heart.
It's just too much.
I need to do this to really appreciate the love I have for you.
Thank you. Thank you too. Thank you very much. Wow. Thank you. Wow.
I bless
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I bless you in one family,
Thank
in
you.
one accord.
Thank you.
I bless you in one family and in one accord.
Lovely.
The most appreciative effort has come back. God has restored everything we have lost in this family. To God be the glory.
Thank you.
Let's drink.
This guy is about celebration.
A lot of dancing. We cannot bust champagne. Let's have it.
I can't just wait. Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you.
Who is she? She.
Happy birthday
I have to take this big up. You know I like big things, don't kill yourself. That's why I have a meeting in the house. Wow.
Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Wow, it's lovely.
So can we pour the champagne?